Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily clear all conditional formatting from selected cells or from an entire worksheet. To only remove conditional formatting from selected cells, then first select those cells in your worksheet. Then click the Conditional Formatting button in the Styles button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Roll your mouse pointer down to the Clear Rules command in the drop-down menu that appears. From the side menu that appears, select from which object to remove the conditional formatting. To remove the conditional formatting from only the selected cells, choose the Clear Rules from Selected Cells command. To clear all conditional formatting from the entire worksheet, select the Clear Rules from Entire Sheet command instead.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.